Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. If you are tired of certain programs launching automatically every time you turn on your computer, this tutorial is for you. I'll show you exactly how to stop these programs from starting up and improve the performance of your system. So let's get started. If you are in Windows 10 or in Windows 11, you have to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape. That will bring up the Task Manager. Then go to the Startup tab in the Task Manager. As you can see, this is the Startup tab and you have to click on that. Then go to the program you want to disable from starting up automatically. This is the program. As you can see, this is enabled and I'm going to disable it. First, select the program by clicking on that and then click disable. That's all you have to do in Windows 10 and 11 to disable a program which is starting up automatically when you turn on your computer. Please like the video, share and subscribe. I'm starting up my YouTube channel. And thank you so much. See you in the next video.